When I ask, what do you want school to provide your child? Those answers are heart first. This message is for that school in your district. You bled on those devices. You bled into that chat box. You bled on that paper without question. That's why I wanted to hear your voices. You bled on that paper. When I used to ask solely what we want school to provide the kids we serve, we often answer with our head first and then follow it with our heart. And so what I want you to think about is this. Is there a difference? And I'm talking about the stuff we control. I'm not talking about what happens when the kid goes home. I'm not talking about things we can't control. I'm not talking about things that happen at home that you have no control over. I'm talking about from the time they step over the threshold of your campus to the time they leave. Is there a difference? Because that's the part we control, right? And so the first step of improvement is typically acknowledging that there's probably a gap. And then I work with schools to help close that gap. You know, as a good brother talked about, how do we bridge that gap?